Hello everyone and welcome. In this episode, we set sail for the remote island of Iraklia. Enjoy a sexy sail, then tie up to the rocks in heaven. There's the usual drama and even a little heartbreak, but nothing an epic wreck dive can't soothe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. Namaste.
Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Beautiful.
Did you get a double shell?
I did. It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
We are just about to up anchor and go over to Iraklia, which is where the World War II plane is. We might stay there and anchor overnight, or we might go over to Shnusa. So we're going to make a plan as we go along. Bye Paros, you've been good, and we will be back again. Well, this is a first. I'm sat on the bow, there's not really any wind, so we're motoring, but we're on a track and the autopilot's doing it all. But I keep forgetting that I've got one of these, which is pretty old now, but I can steer the boat with this. If something is in our way, like a fishing boat or something like that, I can just send the boat off, 10 or 20 degrees either way, and then put us back on track again, just using this bad boy. It's like having the TV remote in your lounge that does everything. Just over here we've got Naxos. We're motoring just to the south to Iraklia. I think it's the windier island, but today there's no wind, so it's a good day to visit. And then the island next to it, Shnusa, I've heard is one of the best places to shelter from the Meltemi. So we've got some wind coming in a couple of days, so I think we'll head on over to Shnusa afterwards. But these islands are supposed to be beautiful to explore, great for swimming, and I cannot wait to go spearfishing again. Really excited about that. The last few places just haven't really been suitable. So yeah, that's the plan. So I've been sat here for about an hour, but I finally been given the chance to get to use this thing. Woo! All right. It's nice, isn't it?
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait.
Let's see in the house.
Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.
Take a look at this little slice of heaven, you guys. We just made a homemade swimming pool. Bit of a pain in the ass to create. Not that I had to do very much of it, but yeah, it's gorgeous. Don't know how long we're gonna be here, but Iraklia is beautiful. Why don't you try it? It's goat's cheese. It's Josh's goat's cheese. Wait. What are you doing? I'm taking it.
Like it.
I kind of figured that. You don't only just stamp on it though.
I can fly.
Yeah, we don't stamp on food just because we don't like it, or we'll be hopping all over the tables, wouldn't we? Noah, can you put the sauces on the table for me now, please? Thank you. Noah's learning how to set the table up and he's cooking dinner with me every night now, aren't you, mate? What did we make last night, Noah?
We made burgers.
Yeah, we made corn burgers, didn't we? And we're cooking them up again tonight. We had them for last night and we're having them tonight as well. They're very easy to make, and I'll pop the link in the description box below. But they are Thai spiced coconut corn burgers. Really high protein. Dried corn lasts for weeks and weeks and weeks, so you can make a batch of them as well. Oh, good, great. You can make a batch of them and they'll stay in the fridge for at least a week. So they're awesome. So Noah's stirring my baked beans for me. Just be careful of baby mouse's ears so we don't burn it off. So I'm just trying to teach the boys at the moment some more of those #life skills.
When I grow up, I won't need you to make my breakfast anymore because I might be able to make my own.
Yeah, well that's what we're hoping, is that you'll be what's called self-sufficient. And you'll be able to cook for other people as well, which will be nice, won't it?
Oh yeah, we should make this boat like a restaurant.
Yeah, our own restaurant. What will we call it?
I have an idea. Holy Blue Restaurant.
Okay, Holly Blue Restaurant. Guys, we're going to get on with dinner now because we've got something really cool to show you here in Iraklia and at this beautiful anchorage. And once we get dinner out of the way, we can get on to it and show you. See you in a bit. How are the burgers, Captain?
Not bad.
Not bad.
For a vegetarian.
Nice, Josh?
Amazing.
How's baby mouse finding the food, Noah?
I love it.
Good. Do you like it, baby mouse?
Yeah.
Yes, alright, like. I do not know what accent that was. Yum.
We found holes in these walls. We like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls. The final straw.
It's always nice to not wake up on the rocks.
We were bound to make mistakes. Real love, we thought.
Well, it's a lovely morning here in Iraklia. And Ross has gone spearfishing somewhere. I can't see him. However, we have woken up with the situation. Poppy is missing. So Josh has this habit of every time we take something to a bar, cafe, beach, whatever, he tends to forget to bring it back. And we took Poppy to the beach last night, so she is on that beach over there on her own. She's been sleeping on the beach all night. She's been a dirty stop out, and we need to go and get her before all the tourists arrive. For those of you who are new to our channel, hello first of all, thank you for watching us. Poppy is our toy doll. We've got Poppy and we've got Branch, and they're the boys' kids, that's what we call them, and they go everywhere with us ever since the very beginning of our adventures. Guess what, Noah? I've got a surprise for you. Mummy brought the kids. It's Branch and Poppy. There you go, Noah. And Poppy. These are Noah's favourite toys and they go absolutely everywhere with us. And they're otherwise known as the kids. So they have a lot of sentimental value to them, not only to the kids but also to us actually. So we're really hoping we can find Poppy today, and I know that Noah is going to be not happy if we don't. I'm starting to get quite worried now. Ross has been gone for about an hour and a half, which is typical, but where he was over here, he no longer is, and I can't see him anywhere.
I hope we go to the beach and find Poppy soon.
Yeah, we will. As soon as Daddy gets back, we'll go there, alright? Here he is. He's back. Did you catch anything?
Nope. But we're staying.
Why?
It's really good here.
Really?
Yep.
Did you catch a poppy?
Sorry?
Did you look for poppy?
Oh, I'll probably do that, yeah.
Don't worry, I'll go and do it in a minute. Ross is taking the boys to look for Poppy. I'm not sure if they found her. Did you find her? No. All frantically trying to find Poppy. Are you alright, Noah? You okay? You okay? Noah. Come on. Come here. Come and have a cuddle. Don't worry. We'll find her. Right, we're going to go on a mega hunt right now. Yeah? Come on, let's find her. Have faith. We'll find her. Is there a possibility you could have buried Poppy at your volcano that you made on the beach yesterday?
Well, I did, but every time I buried her, I took her out.
Is there a small possibility that she could still be buried?
She probably could be anytime.
Right. Like I'm going to have to take a swim to the beach.
Let me know you wanted to. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave.
Hey guys, this is where Josh was playing last night, so let's dig her up.
All we need is now.
I've dug up Josh's volcano. I've dug up half the beach. She's not there. I'm just praying that somebody might have picked her up on the beach and like put her somewhere so that she can be found again. While we're here though, you guys, I can show you this. There seems to be some ancient ruins here of some kind. Pretty cool, huh? Looks like we're gonna have to go back and break the news to Noah. But I think we'll take them diving to the seaplane to cheer him up in a bit.
You see Mummy, Noah? Oh yeah. What's the verdict?
Sorry. It's okay, we'll find another one.
We are just about to go and see the World War II aeroplane in the water. It's literally about 3 or 4 meters from our anchor, so there's no excuse. Let's go, guys!